He can take Odumeje. Everybody to go back Odumeje. Everybody liquid metal. He not must be my house. We can eat it in a bedroom. We can eat it in a bedroom. We can eat it in a bedroom.
I want you to start to celebrate. I am not seeing your celebration of your freedom. Let me see your celebration. As you are rejoicing, your case is over. Your case is expired. Your celebration is too quiet. I want to see a radical celebration. I want to see a new generation. I want to see the people that know that this is their year. If you know that this is your year, let me see your action. Let me see your celebration. Your case must expire today.
Amen.
You will not return by the same.
Amen.
That problem will disappear.
Amen.
That sickness will disappear.
Amen.
That poverty will disappear.
Amen.
That challenges will disappear.
Amen.
You are not celebrating your freedom.
Thank you,
You
Jesus.
are in the World Miracle Center, the land of freedom, where the mountain melt like wax. Today is the end of your problem.
Amen.
Today is the end of your problem.
Amen.
Today is the end of your challenges.
Amen.
I am not seeing somebody shout. I am not seeing somebody jubilated. Your freedom must come.
Amen.
That money must come.
Amen.
You shall make it.
Amen.
Whether your enemy like it or not, you are the next multi-billionaire.
Amen.
You are the next multi-billionaire.
Amen.
Your amen is too quiet.
Amen.
Every word of the prophet is irrevocable.
Yes, sir.
You are the next multi-billionaire.
Amen.
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 Celebrate your billions. Celebrate your trillions. Celebrate your quintillions. Celebrate your billions. It's the word of the prophet. The higher you celebrate, the higher you are connected. The word of the prophet is irrevocable. The word of the prophet is unstoppable and unshakable and unmovable and indefatigable. You are the next multi-billionaire.
Amen.
You are the next multi-trillionaire.
Amen.
You are the most multi-trillionaire.
Amen.
You are the next multi-trillionaire.
Amen.
If you can celebrate, let your mindset change. Remove that thinking. Forget that problem. Forget that problem. Forget that trouble. Forget that sickness. Forget yesterday. Today is a new day. Yes, you will not return back the same.
Amen.
I am here with a new anointing. I am here with a new power. I am here with a new anointing. Your case must expire.
Amen.
Your case must expire.
Amen.
Your trouble must expire.
Amen.
Your case must expire.
Amen.
I am here with a new anointing.
Yes, sir.
I am here with a new power. Receive as you desire.
I receive.
Receive as you desire.
I receive.
Receive as you desire.
I receive.
Say, I am free.
I am free.
Say, I am delivered.
I am delivered.
Let me see your celebration. Let me see your celebration.
For Jesus.
Let me see your celebration.
For Jesus.
You will not return by this time.
Amen.
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 Shout, I am the next multi-billionaire.
I am the next multi-millionaire.
Whether they like it or not, I am the next multi-billionaire.
I am the next multi-millionaire.
Whether they like it or not,
Whether they like it or not,
I am the next multi-billionaire.
I am the next
Whether they
multi-millionaire.
like it or not,
Whether they like it or
they will
not,
celebrate me.
they will celebrate me.
This is my season.
This is my season.
This is my hour.
This is my hour.
It's my turn to shine.
It is my turn to
Whether you
shine.
like it or not,
Whether you like it or
you will
not,
hear my testimony.
you will hear my testimony.
Shout, yeah.
Yeah. Power.
I'm a cherub. The strongest family in the world is the lion family. The strongest practical proofs in power, in action, in ability, in quality, in quantity, in demonstration of power, with evidence, is the lion family. I'm a strongest spiritual man in the whole world. I'm the lion himself. I'm the lion himself. I'm the fight. I'm the war. I'm the battle. I'm the finisher. I'm the liquid metal. I mean that was key. Power.